Welcome. Let's make some cinnamon streusel coffee cake. I'll be using my Pioneer Woman Hamilton Beach bread machine. We're going to start with 3/4 of a cup of softened butter, 1 1/4 cups of white sugar, 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. We're going to close that up, and we are going to set this to the cake cycle, and then press start. And quick, go ahead and set a timer for 22 minutes. Now, let's make our streusel topping. We're going to put in 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and mix that together well. Once your timer goes off, you're going to open it up, and we're just going to put a line of the topping down the middle. Use a spatula to press that down a little bit. We want that to be the swirl within the middle of the cake. And then cover it up with the batter so that you're kind of hiding that topping. And then we're going to sprinkle the rest of the topping over the top of the loaf. I just pressed mine down a little bit since I don't want it flying all over, and I really want it to bake into that cake. Close it back up and let it finish cooking. It will do the magic for you, and look at it. It is just beautiful. We'll go ahead and get that out of the bread machine. Oh, I can't wait to eat this one. And you need to flip it out of your machine, and my cake was so moist, so I had to use a spatula to flip it over, and it just looks like perfection. Let's cut that open. And there we go. There's my swirl on the inside. We have the topping on the top. It is just delicious. This is probably the best I have made yet in this bread machine. Give me a like and a subscribe, and come back and see me again. Thanks, everyone.